Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about characteristics of management.
Characteristics of management. Management is all about achieving specific goals and objectives. Managers set goals, plan strategies, and work efficiently to achieve them. Managers make decisions at different levels of an organization. Decision can be strategic, tactical, or operational and involve allocating resources and solving problems. Planning is a fundamental management function. It involves settling objectives, identifying resources. Organizing is about arranging people, resources, and tasks to accomplish planned objectives. This includes decision organizational structures, delegating responsibilities, establishing workflows. Leadership is crucial in management. Managers guide, motivate, and inspire their team to work towards common goals. Effective leadership includes communications, coaching, setting a positive example. Controlling involves monitoring progress, comparing actual performance with planned performance. Managers often need to coordinate the efforts of different departments and individuals to ensure activities. Effective communication is vital in management. Managers must convey information, expectations, and feedback clearly to their teams and stakeholders. Managers must possess problem-solving skills to analyze issues, identify solutions. Adaptability is crucial for successful management. Managers must be open to change, willing to learn, and adjust their strategies as circumstances evolve. Delegation involves entrusting tasks and responsibilities to others while maintaining. Time management skills are essential for managers to prioritize tasks. Managers must make decisions that align with ethical standards and values to maintain trust and credibility. Understanding and considering the perspectives and feelings of employees and stakeholders is essential for building. Successful managers focuses on continuous improvement, seeking ways to enhance process, performance, and outcomes. Efficiently allocating and managing resources such as finance, manpower, and technology is critical in management. Remember, effective management requires a combination